how we can enable our our microphone either on system or on our on our Chrome browser. Maybe you want to do a recording and you have blocked your enable of microphone so people can hear you. So what do you just need to do now is just what? You have to go to the settings area. So you go to the what? You click on these three dots on your Chrome browser. So once you come to the Chrome browser, you scroll down. Once you have to scroll down a little bit, you go to the settings area. So once you go to the setting area, the next thing to get done is what? You have to come to what? Your privacy security. So once you go to your privacy security, you move down to your what? You move down to what? Either you move out to the what? Site settings. So now maybe you want to block your location. You don't want any website to be able to identify your location on your Chrome browser, or you don't want any website to what? To enable your camera. So or you want so but what we are talking about mainly is what? How we can enable our microphone on what? On the Chrome browser. Now you come here, you click on the microphone, then you click on what? You click on site ask for microphone. So sometimes maybe you have unenable it. Sometimes maybe you have some extension you wanted to enable their microphone. Maybe you have already disabled, you don't want anybody to what? To accessible to what? To this microphone, any website to access to the microphone, or you want to enable it. So you just need to come down to the what? You see now, screen recording. So I click on this screen recording, then I have to set up that they should allow what? The microphone. So you click on both, either ask for default or you ask for allow. So if you want to block it, you can block it. So enable the location, you can see. So I want to block the location. I don't want to what? To enable my location as well. So and this, because I can see that some people are actually facing this kind of issue. So if you want to enable your sound, you can enable your sound. Your background aspect, you can enable it as well. So this is how you can do that on your what? On your Chrome browser. So because I can see a lot of people are facing this kind of issue. And if you find this content or you find this topic as something meaningful to you, you can what? You have to you need to comment under the comment section of our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to check more about our latest updates. And this information is something, and if you know that you want more about this update or about something that can be helpful to your business, you wanted to know more about online, you can comment under the DM section and we can give you an explanation, and we can put you through more about that. So this is how we want. This is the little thing that we wanted to provide to you this morning. So thank you for being part of us.